Welcome back to the Career Compass tutorial video series. In this video we will show you how to create informative pages and how to include informative pages in your intervention. We will be discussing your informative pages, which will be part of the content of your intervention. Begin at your CC dashboard and open your study. Go to the informative pages on the left. The informative pages are the text the participant will see when completing your study and can appear before or after or in between modules. Think of welcome pages, ethical disclosure statements or special instructions for your participants. To create a new page, click on the plus button on the right. You can give your page a title. This is the title you will see when you go to the informative pages, and that is also shown to participants. And fill the page with content. Note that the order in which you create pages does not matter. Also, when you have selected email required on the study details, the informative page edit email page will automatically appear in the list of informative pages. You can change the title of the page and fill the page with content as with other informative pages. When you have created all your informative pages, the next step is to set up the order of which you want to show the pages and your modules to the participants. Go to the interventions page. In a previous video, we showed in more detail how to set up an intervention. For now, we will open a previously created intervention. Go to Content on the right. Here you can find two drop-down fields. One for the modules you want to add and one for the informative pages. Select the informative page you want to add and click on Add. You can change the order later as well by clicking and dragging the modules and pages. The order of the informative pages is important for your data gathering. If you have selected email required in the study homepage, CC automatically creates an email informative page. This page always needs to be included at the start of your intervention, before any modules or informative pages. Any answers from participants to modules that are put before the edit email page will not be saved. Say for example, you ask someone's name first and then the emails, then their name is not saved. If you don't have the email required selected, participants will be given the option to leave their email address at the end of the study. An input box for the email address will appear automatically on the final informative page of the study. The email address participants put in this box will not be saved but can be used by the automatic feedback system to send the feedback to the participant if feedback is activated. Also make sure that you always enter intervention with an informative page to enable the data to be saved properly. You have now filled your intervention with content. In this video we showed you how to create informative pages and how to include informative pages in your intervention. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.